Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome to a tutorial on how to connect basically your Lamzu Atlantis upon receiving it, whether if you have the mini or whether if you have the OG, which is what I have here. Now, this is for the people who have an issue just connecting it. I've noticed that online there aren't that many tutorials. So basically, as you already know, the mouse itself comes in this box. Yeti Yeti, we already know that. And I'm just gonna get straight to the point. Basically, when you receive it, you just get this whole little brochure and stuff. On the right side, you get your mouse and your dongle. On the left side, you get a pouch, and that comes with your cable. Now, basically, all you're gonna do is take out the mouse. And here's the thing that a lot of people would tend to mess up on. So they plug in, they download the app. I mean, or the app or the software for it. They update the firmware of their mouse if they like to. If they don't have to. And then they get the mouse. And a lot of people tend to just, how do you call it? Connect the dongle and connect the little USB-C cable, and then that's it. They're like, "Wait, wait a minute. Why isn't my phone? Why isn't my mouse turning on?" And basically, they look at the instructions. It's like, all right, press the button, and then a lot of people tend to press the DPI button, which is this one. But in reality, it's the top one. So there isn't an indicator for the power button, but it's right here. It's right above the DPI button, right above the sensor too. And basically all you're gonna do is just and it's gonna turn on. So basically once you do turn it on, it's just gonna light up. And there you go. You have power. It should already connect to the software. I don't think you need the driver's tool or the driving tool in order to connect your mouse. You just need the software. Trust me, you don't need the other thing. And but however, I think in order for you to pair it, you gotta just press these buttons. But I didn't have to do that. All I had to do was just download the software and it worked fine. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just keep in mind another thing that a lot of people aren't gonna find, I guess you could say that pleasing about I guess you could say the software is that it's a WinRAR file or like a RAR file. So if you don't have WinRAR, as I mentioned, or if you have like another RAR file to open it, there's no biggie. But just to keep in mind, the only downside to it, but you could easily bypass it with like a RAR opener or a RAR extractor or whichever you have. But yeah, and that's pretty much it. You have it connected. You can set the DPI and the software and everything. Thanks for watching.